Hey, how's it going? We're getting the stream set up here, and then we will get going. We'll make things happening. Well, I'm actually really excited about this because we're going to convert the game that we created yesterday. That was way too much fun for me. I don't know, a little too much fun. Just a smidgen too much fun. We want to make it into a real game. I want to make it into a real game. So that's the plan. What we're doing, and we're gonna clean it up. We're cleaning it up. So that's what we're doing today. Here we go. Let's do it. All right. So I'm going to use these nice, clean, flat structures in order to make a full-on game state. That's what we're gonna do today. That's right. Hey, Real Green Blob, good to see you. Real Green Blob, remember? So we made a game yesterday, which I didn't think it would be in, but it was actually a lot of fun. I didn't know that. I was like, you run away from the AI, and we're using real AI to chase us. Like it learns on, like it doesn't know how to chase us, but it figures it out over time. And so I want to make it into a game, and maybe spend a few streams to turn it into a game. I'm really excited about this. I think it'll be neat. Good to see you, Real Green Blob. Happy to have you here. All right, so we got up. We're gonna do this will be the game. This will be like the main game state, which is gonna be represented by all these other classes and things like that. So it needs to go down here. So we'll have a player, and it will be the player class. There we go. Cool. Let me. Sorry, I gotta open my your chat. I gotta make your or a. Wait, what do you mean or a? What is or? What is or? I thought my chat was broken because I was like, why? What are you saying there? I thought a chat was broken. It was but or a what? All right, here we go. Let's see here. All right, so this will be the delta. We need a clock. What is a screen? So this is what I don't know what that is. So let me copy this. Let me paste this in and grab these things here. What is a screen? I'm actually kind of curious. Wait 1 second. Copy that. All right, undo. There we go. Okay, and then Python, and then I'll paste these things in. What is a screen? So I'm actually kind of curious. What is a screen? Oh, also, it'd be nice to figure out what this error message is and deal with that at some point. We don't have to do that right now, but we'll definitely deal with it. Good to have you guys in here. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're making a game. So what is this? How do I say get the type in Python? Hey, Torva, how's it going? Good to see you, Torva. What are we doing today? Hey, Gambit. We're gonna make it. The game that we made yesterday. We're gonna actually make it more of a game. We're gonna make it even more of a game where there's consequences for getting caught by the AI. I'm actually kind of excited about it. I think it's gonna be pretty neat. I think it's pretty nifty. One moment here. I'm gonna see here. Oh, I see what's going on. Let me click this button and do live. There we go. That's what I want to see. Oh, hey, Torva. Good to see you. They is autoencoder, but it's variational. Wait. Oh, really? Wait, I don't know. What does that mean? What do you mean by that? I'm actually kind of curious. Tell me more. So VAE is an autoencoder, but it's variational. See, screen, not screen. Is there like a type? Can we say type? I need to see what the class is. What's the class called? Oh, screen. Let's see here. Screen underscore dot underscore class. What is this? Surface. It's called a surface. What the heck? What is a surface? All right, let's call it a surface then. I wasn't expecting that. So the game is going to have a screen, but it's actually a surface. There we go. Excellent. There we go. That's what we're looking for. I wasn't here yesterday. Last I came in and ended with the plan of making a level or something. Oh, got it. Oh, yeah, Eddie Legendary. Good to see you. Welcome in. Hello. I'm just gone. Say hi. Cool. Sounds good. Well, it's late for you. It's very late. Yeah, we started late here in the day. So Gambit, we're making a full-on game. We're gonna see if we can make a game. We won't go too crazy. I want sound effects. I want some music, some intense music. When the blob gets close to you, and then maybe up level the graphics, and then have various game states of like you're playing level 1, 2, 3, 4, and game over screen, and maybe a starting screen, something like that. And then maybe we'll release it on the App Store. I think that'll be a lot of fun. It'll be a completely for free game, all based, all open source, everything, all for free. So that's what we're doing. That's the plan. Look up variation autoencoder. Okay, well I'll do that. I'll look up the variation autoencoder. Good idea. All right, let me bring this over here really quick. Okay, I'm going to check that out really quick. I'm kind of curious. All right, let's look this up. Variational autoencoder. Machine learning, variational autoencoder is an artificial neural network architecture introduced by Diedrich and Max in 2013. Part of the family. Okay, so that doesn't really give me much about it. All right, let's take a look more here. Encoder, decoder, yep. And then you've got some sort of lattice here in the middle. What's your game? Hey, Ali. The game is actually, I'll show you. It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. Oh, is it still running? Where is it? Oh, I see what's going on. Let me close this over here. Close that. Exit, and then so Python game.py. So we've got this. It's an AI that chases you. It's an AI that chases you, and it learns how to chase you. So what I'm gonna right now, it's like, in mode, and it'll have different speeds, and I want different levels, and it's actually really learning. It really is learning. It's really an AI. It's like legit AI learning on the spot. It's learning how to come after you. So that's the game. It's a really simple game, but it's actually a lot of fun to it's keep away, essentially. You're playing keep away with the AI, and you're trying not to get caught. It's kind of fun. It's kind of neat. So that's what we're building. That's what we're working on. That's the plan, you guys. All right. So we're cleaning it up today. That's the plan. So today I want to clean it up. Data class. So we're also going to have the AI, right? AI. We'll have the AI. So we got a position. I want speed. What other things did I have in here? Speed, size, model, right? Okay, perfect. That's what I'm looking for. So, we can't forget speed. Here we go. Speed is going to be a float, and then we'll have the model and then the size. And the model is going to be, what do you call this? Very good, isn't it? I think it's pretty neat. I think it's pretty nifty. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, so that's a float. This is going to be a, what do you call it? An int. Here we go. It's integer. This will be an integer. What do we make it larger or make it increase speed? Yep, you got it. It's exactly the higher the level you get, and as you pass levels and you outrun the AI, it gets faster and bigger. All right, to make it more difficult. And also, the thing is, when you have the model, it's going to remember everything that you've ever run into. So if you're clever, you'll know how to outrun the model, and you have to come up with new strategies each time. Otherwise, it'll remember. It remembers. It will remember, you guys, and so that's what I'm excited about. I think that's what's going to be nifty. I think that's like the neat aspect to this game. That's like the part of the neat aspect to it. Where did you get the training data? It's all training in real time. It's reinforcement learning. Travis Well Tech, good to see you. Welcome on in. The data is all based on your user action. So it knows. So the AI knows your position. It knows its own position, and then it uses a neural net. Like right here's our model. Very simple, very clean, simple, right? Neural net model. So your input will be the XY coordinates for the itself and you, and then it will have the output of velocities or directions, essentially. So up and down, positive and negative, left and right, positive, negative. So that's the idea. It's very simple. So it's a What is this? I need to know what class this is. I need to know what this is really quick. So let me copy this over here. Actually, here. So that way I can create it. So import Pytorch, Python. Let's see, import Pytorch. Yeah. Oh, I got to type it correctly. Did I not type it right? Py, or is it? Oh, it's just called torch. Import torch, you guys. Hey, Mohammed, how's it going? About the circle split into two, then follow at some level. Oh, there we go. Yeah, now we can add two AIs. We can get two of them in there. And now you're being chased by two of them. Hey, Quantified Quantum, hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. I'm actually excited. Today is all about, it's just coding. We're doing cleanup. So the one plan, we've got one task today, We need to get the AI and all the code nice and tidy and some nice and clean code here. Not just like a giant script file, but something, with a game loop and some rendering. Like, so each will have a render. So like, I think what I want here is, I think we also need to add like a render method and like a function of some, like a def, like how something like this. We need to do something like that. So that way you can just render the instance. I think that's the idea. What's your audio? Why is your audio better? I think on the other stream. Oh, is it? Which one? Is it? You say it's better? Is it really? I need to test that. I need to test it out. I didn't know. How are you going to make it into an app? We will either rewrite it in Kotlin or we'll find some way to deploy the Python code into a multi-platform. I'm not sure. We'll deal with that later. I'm not exactly sure. For now, at least, we'll just keep it in Python to keep things all happy and going. Import from typing extension. Oh, what's that do? Oh, wait, what does that do? So that makes it easy for us to understand what the type of the class is. Hey, how's it going, Unique X? How's it going? Good to see you. Subina Panda. Sub in Aya Panda. How's it going? Welcome on in. So, hold on. Salomazia, bro. How's it? Wait, why? What is the game you're trying to build? Oh, it's a keep away game. Basically, it's run away from the AI. You got to run away from the AI. That's how you are. You using Python? Yes, we are. We're using Python. AI Python game is really cool. I made the game of life. Nice. And Python wants the game of life. That's really awesome. Yep. The generative little things like as they multiply or extend typing contains types for functions. I think. Oh, got it. Understood. Can we do something like this? A lambda, like something like that? I don't know. Let's either way. We don't necessarily have to do that. We could just have a function that we've defined that says draw AI, and then it takes an AI object. It takes the type of AI object. So we could do that as well. What game is it? Oh, this is a game that we just made up yesterday on the fly. We didn't know it would ever work, but it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with it. Let me get you the import statement. All right, sounds good. So why AI has insufficient data and responds inappropriately. So where can I train from? So it is getting a little bit of a help. So it's getting the XY coordinates. So here's the details. Where is it? So we got the player position, right? We got the player position, and we also have the current position of here. Actually, this is the answer right here. Here you go. Here's the features and labels. So if you're looking at that for the AI training perspective, this is it right here. For the AI training perspective, there's the features and labels, and that's it. That's all it is. It's really simple. It's very clean and very simple. I like how it's set up. So super clean. There we go. That's it. That's how it learns. That's it. Right there. There you go. There's where the data comes from. All good to go. Okay, let's see here. So we're just doing some cleanup here. So I also need a game class. We're gonna have the delta, and this will be a DT. What is this? This is an int. All right, so int. There we go. So it's an integer. What else? Running. All right, so game. So we need to have like a state. What's the game state, right? So there's gonna be various states. It's really a string. So things like main menu or something like maybe menu or intro, like game over, right? Or play, like we're in play, those sorts of things. Callable, gotcha. From typing import callable. All right, from typing typ import callable. All right, there we go. From typing import callable. So now what we could do is we can have a call. So render. And this will be callable. So the one challenge though is that we need there's like a circular dependency problem here, because in order to render, in order to draw this, it needs access. Does it need access? How do we do this? Whoa, hey Ram Cart Ragada. Ram Karagada, thank you for joining. Thank you for your subscription. Happy to have you in here. We're building some AI games today is what we're building. We're building some AI games. I'm actually really excited about this. Callable archetypes return. Okay. Thank you. Let me, sounds good. Looks good to me. Thank you, Quantify Quantum. We'll see if we can get that to work. Callable archetypes return type. Got it. Okay. So my internet got stuck, just came back. I'm learning Python. Is it good to start now? It's good to start now. You got it. It's good to start now. Just subscribed. Excellent. Thank you for your subscription. I appreciate it. Hey, there it goes. You got the notification. There it goes, notification. Good to have you here. Thank you for your subscription. We'll be doing AI. We'll be doing Python. And that's what we're doing. And we're also doing games. We're doing games today. We're making a game. Ramkar, excellent. Happy to help. Happy to help. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, so circle player. Oh, we should probably have like a color. Yeah, so we'll do a color, and this will be a stir. Same for the AI, right? The AI is going to have a color as well. A string. There we go. Yeah, you're welcome. Excellent. Thank you. That was awesome. That was fantastic. Fun fact, you can do generics in Python too. You can do generics in Python too. It's a whole new thing. It's a whole new world with Python 3, right? With Python, do you stream live daily? Yes, I do. On the weekday, Monday through Friday, you guys. Still think you look like David Malchain. David Dismalchain. George. Hey, George, how's it going? The great version 4. How's it going? Good to have you in here. Thank you for your chat message there. For it look like David. Sounds good. I appreciate it. That could be a compliment. It could be a compliment. I don't know. It sounds like it is. All right, so we've got our Delta running. Oh, so the game running. We probably want this so that way we can exit and quit, things like that. What IDE are you using? This is Vim. So this is Vim. So you just type Vim, and there you go. So this is it right here. There you go. It's just a simple little text editor, you guys. It's a simple text editor. This is a compliment, in my opinion. Nice, it is. George, thank you. That's wonderful to hear. Thank you so much. That's like a great compliment. That's a great compliment. All right, close there. Jumping over here. So we got player position, looking good. So I can delete this because that means I've already gotten what I want from that. We should have a learning rate. We should have a learning rate. We should for the AI. So we'll call it learning, and this will be a float there. So this is the rate of the learning for the AI. We're gonna have the rate of the learning for the AI model. So what's the model here? How do I exit Vim? You could ZZ. You could do capital ZZ if you wanted, or you could say, "Hey, how's it going? Mazkianya? How do you say your name? All right, Nano Supreme. There you go. ZZ. That's how you exit Vim. You got it. Quantify, or was it exit? I think it's ZZ. Let me find out really quick. So I don't usually use ZZ. So Shift ZZ. There you go. Yeah, it's Shift ZZ, you guys. Or also Q. I use Q. Like this colon Q. That's the one I use. I always use colon Q. That's the one I use. All right. Thank you for your subscription, Mankia. I can't pronounce your name because I don't recognize the how to pronounce those letters. Unique. Would you ever consider consulting? And if so, what would be your hourly rate? Basically, you are hireable or not. Oh, good question. We're just doing this for fun. I'm good to go. What you could say though, Unique, is what are you interested in building? What exciting project are you thinking of? Bill, how's it going? What's the name of the font you're using? I believe it's Monaco. Here it's Ghosty Terminal. So watch this. Ghost Ghostti terminal font. What is the font? What is the terminal font? It says it's called Nerd Font. Wait, no, that can't be right. What is the font family? Yeah, is it on here? Do you see it on the screen? JetBrains Mono. It's called JetBrains Mono, you guys. Okay, JetBrains Mono font. Here you go. There it is. Yep, that's it right there. JetBrains Mono. It's the JetBrains Mono font, you guys, which is an free and open source mono-spaced font. There you go. JetBrains Mono, you guys. All right. So let's pop into this. Okay, so we're building an AI game that chases you. It chases you. And we're making it clean and organized is what we're doing. We're making it clean and organized. Thanks a lot. Happy to help. Oh, Stephen, what's your view on font what is that? Ligatures? Wait, font ligatures? What is a font ligature? Wait, what is a font I've heard that word before. Ligatures. I'm not familiar. Characters that combine two or more letters into a single glyph. Oh, yeah, Ghosty does this, doesn't it? Ghosty does it. So like when you do like the arrow, like this, watch arrow. See how it like took two glyphs and it turns into one right here? Right here, it turns it into like an arrow. I don't know if you can see that pretty well on stream. Oh, what AI game? Yeah, it's an AI game. You got it. That's the game. You can use the arrow like that, which is kind of neat. Or the equals, right? So you could do equal arrow like that. like this. I think you can do a whole bunch of equals like this, or maybe a few, maybe something like that. Double equal. There you go. So there you go. So you could do things like this. There you could do things like that. Isn't that neat? It's pretty. It's really pretty. Sakib. Hey, Sakib, thank you for joining. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. We're building a game, you guys. We're building an AI live on stream, and we're making it organized. We're organizing it today is what we're doing. We're making it clean. All right, game is going to have a screen, but we also need width and the height as well. We need width and height. Yep, that's what we also need. There we go. Excellent. Let me get rid of some of that. Okay, width and height. So that way we can take the screen surface and remember what that is for a 2D game. Yeah, you got it. It's a 2D game. That's what it is. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for, is it 3D or 2D? It's 2D. It's a 2D game. And it's a very simple game. It's very simple. It's run away from the AI. That's what it is. That's what I don't know what we should call it. What should we call the game, you guys? What should we call the game? We need a clock as well. We will need a clock. So where's the game at? Here it is. Okay. Clock. Excellent. Oh, can we do that? I wonder if we can do that. We probably can. I think that's probably good. So this will be the clock, and then we got the screen. We're good. We got the screen. So we got the screen. Let me see here. State string, right? So the current render state, what screen we're on. You subscribed? Excellent. Thank you for your subscription, Sakib. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. I mean, making it 3D would be easy. No, just a 3D framework. Yes, yep, using Vector 3. You're right. We could absolutely do that. We absolutely could. We're going to keep things simple, though, because for now, game name AI Terminator. We could, because that's basically the idea. All right, so here, I'll put it, I'll write it down. All right, so game name ideas. All right, so here we go. So paste this. All right, so we got some game name ideas. We've got one is in here, AI Terminator. AI Terminal. We could do AI Terminator. There we go. AI Terminator. That's one of them. Hey, Safir, wait, you said hi. Thank you for saying hi. Just saw your message there. You just thank you for clicking the hi button. Okay, here we go. So game name ideas. Let's just put some pretty lines there. Put some pretty lines. Okay, we'll keep that. Godot, GD script like Python. You can use that to create 2D and 3D games. Oh, the Godot. Yeah, we absolutely could. We could do the Go. We could do Godot. We could do that. It could work. We can do that. For now, we're just using Pygame because we're keeping things simple. It works perfectly fine. Okay, so column. All right, so here, and then here's one of the problems. I need to think about this right here. So this has a circular depth problem that we need to solve right here. This is a to do item. We got a to do item right here, an important one because it's important how we do that. Bro, chill. We're having fun is what we're doing. We're excited. We could meditate. We could. Although I'm actually really excited about this because this is like the whole reason why I got into computer science. That's the whole reason. Can you show us the rendered version? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'll show you right now. It's very simple. It's very simple, you guys. It's not anything advanced or scary. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. So I made the AI hard mode. So it's just you're playing keep away, and so it's like in a final stage right now. So the AI is very good. But what I want to do is make multiple levels. And so you're just playing keep away. And so you can see here, this is the mobile view, right? The mobile view right here. And then there's the AI, it's learning. So you can see, let me sort of move the screen over. So you can see the loss rate, the error at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen there, you can see the error loss rate. So yeah, and then we also need to add collision detection, which is going to be really easy because they're circles. You guys. All you got to do is run away. You got to keep away. Great game. It's a lot of fun. I think it's a lot of fun, and especially that's the baseline default. And he is fine and calm. Yeah, I know, right? You're totally right. Unique. You got it. Hey, Emo AI Music. How's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you here. Thanks for all your donations the other day. That was awesome. Hey, the Tech Man too. Hey, so I was late. It's 3 a.m. Was gonna sleep. Just saw you streaming. You're up really late. You gotta take care. Make sure to take care of yourself and go to sleep as well. Good to have you here. Happy to have you here. Thank you for joining in. So we got the see, there we go. See there. See, we're tricking the AI. See now it doesn't know. Oh, is it gonna get us? See, this is like strategy here. This is it's barely figuring it out. It's figuring it out. See, you can hide, right? So you're hiding. See, the AI gets really. This is where it's going to get a lot of fun. I'm really excited about this. And we're gonna have multiple. Oh, see, now it sees us now. It's coming for us. It's coming for us. Oh, nope. It doesn't know this is a hiding spot. This is a hiding spot right here. So hear me out. Make it predict. Oh wait. Tell me more. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, make it predict. I mean, we kind of are. Well, we'll need to think about that. We'll need to think about it. Okay, so let me jump back over here. All right, so let's clean it up. We're cleaning it up now. Game state, player. Do we want player here? I don't think we need. Do we need player? Maybe we have the AI. Maybe. So this is where I'm unsure whether we want to have this, because we can have everything inside the game object. I think that's what we want to do. Wait. Oh, sorry. Quantify ground. I missed your. Oh wait, no, I saw that. Okay. I saw that one. All right, we're good to go. Make it guess where you're moving, and it does that. So like predict, like it can project. So it sees us moving, and then it sees where we're headed. So you mean sort of move towards the direction that we're headed? That's a good idea. All right, I'll add that into the to-do sections. All right, to do. Here we go. To-dos. Here we go. So let's paste a whole bunch of to-dos here. So make AI predict ahead where the player is going. Perfect. All right, perfect. All right, quantified content. I got that in. Hey, Bells, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Panda. Okay, I just wanted to know, why do we need neural net for this AI player can move in direction with the player? Yeah, you don't need it. You don't. You're right. You're absolutely right. Though what we want to do, but we want to make it legit AI. We want to make it legitimate machine learning. I want it to make a real game with real AI in it, and that's what we're doing here. So that's the plan, and that's the idea. That's what we're doing. So that's the reason why. You're right. You're totally right. We don't need it. It's not mandatory. It's not required. You're completely right. Okay, so we've got most of everything organized here. So we got learning rate. Oh, optimizer, loss function, and losses. We do need this to be the AI. The AI needs that. All right. Okay, so we need the optimizer, loss, and then losses. It'll be a basically a list, right? I think we can do that. I think we can say list, right? Is that a type? I think that's a type. Let's see here. It's already late. I have to go to sleep. Okay, Gambit. Do you save the video on your page? Yes. All saved and good to go. You can watch it anytime you want. You can watch it anytime. All right, so I need to see what these types are, what kinds of classes these things are, optimizer, things like that. So that way we can put the type in here. All right, so I need to go Python, import, torch, and then I need to see what this is here. What is this? There we go. It is just that. It's just straight up that. Oh, it's this right here. Okay, so we'll copy that. Well, that says, is there like an optimizer class? Maybe we don't need this. Maybe we don't need. We're gonna not do this. We'll put this somewhere else. We do need it though. We do need it. I'll see this one. Thanks. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. All good, you guys. I'm in my OOP, object-oriented programming phase, and I want to move back to Java. I need help. Hey, I know, right? Isn't it? I'll take a dip, sleep. Cool, the tech man. Thank you for hanging out for just a bit. What's he coding? Hey, Lukey Master, we are coding a game. We're making a game here. So let me comment these things out so we can see. It's a game where the AI chases you. It's a game where the AI chases you. Right? So the AI is going to come after you. It's coming for you. And it's very simple. It's clean. It's easy. And today we've got one goal. We've got one goal for this stream, and it's just to organize the code so that way it's easier to deal with. So create a base class called entity. We could, if we wanted to do that, although we're only going to have two entities, both AI and player inherit from it. We absolutely could. You're totally right. We could do inheritance. We could absolutely do that. We absolutely could quantify quantum. There is a way. Though in this case, we're only going to have, we're only having two things on the screen. Sharing side, color, speed, and position. Right? Because, right? So, size, right? Size. Yep. There you go. We could. Okay. All right. Since you asked, because you asked. All right. at Quantified Quantum, we'll have it data class, and we'll call it a class entity. And then it'll have all the things that you just mentioned. There you go. All the things. And then when we inherit this, we call entity. Perfect. There we go. There we go. We did it. We did exactly what you were asking for. All right, player class here as well. And then there's nothing inside this. There's nothing in it. Actually, name. We'll have the name string. So name, the player, the name. We also, another to-do item. List of names for the player. Here we go, you guys. This is for you. This is for everyone. So if you want your name in the game, let me know. Put your name in the chat. So here we go. List of names. Names. Here we go. It's going to be an array of names, you guys. All right. So we're going to have we're definitely going to have quantified quantum, right? Wait. Got to spell your name. Yep. Quantified quantum. We got quantified quantum. Okay. Lukey. All right. We got Mosh. All right. Alazar. Excellent. Lukey. All right. Let's see. Ahmed. All right. We got some names here, you guys. Ahmed. Excellent. We got some names. Excellent. We got some names. What is it? We also got to get a few other people in here who are not maybe. All right. Well, we'll put it in G-O-D, the big G-O-D, all capital. All right. All capital, you guys. And then what else? I also, let's get a few other names in here. A few other names, you guys. Was it, let's see here. I also think Kamala, right? We want Kamala, because Kamala's been here a lot. We also have Torva. We got Torva. Who else comes in here a lot? Who else? Also, if you want your name in, just type it in chat. Just type it in chat if you want your name here. Oh, we got Kevin. Excellent. Kevin. All right, here we go. And then what else? Who else? Torva, the tech. We'll put the tech in as well. Kyle. We can do Kyle. Let me paste a few more in. Kyle. So Tuleku. All right, Travis. All right, Travis. We got Travis in there. All right, cool. Valor. We got Valor in there. What about Kyle? Oh, we got Kyle. Yeah, we got Kyle. Tuluk. We got Tuluk. Yep, we got Tuluk. Yay. All right, Bobo. Hey, Bobo, how's it going? Bobo. All right, we got Bobo. All right, well, Bobo Bear. There we go. Bobo Bear. We'll put you in here as well. We got Bobo Bear, Kamala, Torva, Kevin. All right. Yay. Maybe Lukey. All right. Barry. All right. Redfin. All right. Red Flash. Barry. All right. We got Barry here. Barry. Excellent. Barry. We got Barry in there. All right. Sounds good. We got a bunch of names. All right. So these would be player names. Let's see. All right. Player names. There we go. Perfect. And so every time you start the game, it'll have a random. It'll be random. A random names. Bro's voice is fluctuating. I know, right? Flame guy, I know. Oh, no, entities can be multiple because depending on the level of difficulty, multiple followers will spawn. Oh, that could be fun. I like that. I like that. Naming is the hardest part of any program. It is. It's such a big challenge. All right, if you want your name in, let me know. I'll add them to your name. I'll add to the names section up there at the top. I'll add for that. Yo, dude, thanks. Hey, Red Flash, you got it. All right, so do we have everything here? So we got entity, which will be, speed, color, size, looks good. And then we don't need position, speed, size in here, right? So, or color. We get the learning rate, the model, and then we do want these things. Although I do want them to be part of the class. So maybe, is there a way that you don't need to access this? It's not, or you do need to access it? Although I just don't know what to call it because it says it's this, but it's, you know what? Fine. We'll do it like this. This will be fine. We'll just copy this and we'll put it there. This will be it. This will be it. Optimizer is going to be this. There you go. Optimizer. How important is object-oriented programming in game development? Alex, the creator. You bring up a really good point because OOP in game development is probably the most important because you're going to have multiple things, right? So OOP usually is not important. OOP is usually not important in software engineering, but for game development, yes. There is some important aspects to it. You're making a game, a new project. Yeah, you know, right? We're doing it. We're making a game, a new project. It's AI. It's AI powered, you guys. It's really exciting. Bobo Bear, this is neat. So we built an AI that chases you. So here, where is it? Where is right, difficulty. We need like difficulty level is an int, and then difficulty. We need things like that. We need OOC. Wait, Bark Bark. Hey, Bark Bark Bark. How's it going, Bark Bark? Well, you can always do Adam W optimizer, right? Then mention it. Right. I know you absolutely could do that. So you totally could. I like that idea. Do you suggest Godot for complete beginners with background in web? Actually, I'm using Pygame and it works perfectly fine. It does everything we need. It's clean. It's easy. I'm going for easy and clean. Godot is also a good one. Godot game engine. Let's see here. It's more advanced and there's more to it. So I wouldn't call it beginner friendly. I would call Pygame a little bit more beginner friendly. Pygame's a smidgen better, more beginner friendly, you guys. Well, we've got a lot of viewers here. How's it going, everyone? We're making a game. We're actually making a game. It's real. It's a real game. It's not for pretend either. Pythongame.py, right? So here you go. Here's what we got right now. So, right, the big AI is going to chase you. And then I want the green dot to have the name of the player. The name of the player should be there. And then the AI is, chasing us. It's learning, but it's in hard mode right now, right? So the AI is learning. It's in hard mode. It's in hard mode. So I want to make it a little bit easier for each level. Godot follows a node-based system in DOM. Oh, it does. Okay, so a document object model. Got it. So it might help because if you come from web, then Godot might be a little bit more approachable. Thank you, Quantified Quantum, for explaining that. That's why I'll take object-oriented programming is a huge part of most software development, especially for web devs. Hey, SM dev, it's usually you don't need to build an is-a, right? You don't need to build a class for something. You usually need to have a has-a. It's an is-a versus has-a problem, right? Is a thing or does it have a thing? And in majority of the time for software engineering, you do not need to make another kind of thing. You just need to import access to other aspects, right? And so typically, because I've got over 40 APIs in my business, and we hardly use object-oriented programming. It's hardly ever used because it's not necessary. And we've got over 1 billion connected devices. So we know what we're doing. We know what we're doing over here. Got here in time? You did. You got here in time. So let's see here. Godot is all right. Changing good software controlled and version controls. Yes, you got to use Git, you guys. Definitely use Git. 150 viewers. I know, right? Bobo Bear, we're on the way here. 150 viewers. We're making a game. We're making the game, you guys. All right, so we got optimizer. Good. All right, got rid of that. Loss. What is this? I need to see what this is really quick. All right, let's copy this over here. Python, import torch, and then let's do that. This is this right here. Perfect. All right, fine. Sounds good to me. Well, let's do that. I don't know how it works. I'm fine with that. That seems fine. So loss is going to be this right here. All right. If that works, we'll see if that works. It probably does work. It probably works perfectly fine. Okay. Working good. We're working good here. Okay. So, and then losses. All right. Let's make sure this still runs. So let's do Pygame. Is it still running? Yep. Looking good. Looking good. All right. We're running. So it's very happy with this. We're looking good here. So we don't need that anymore. All right, good. So now we have the AI class for the game. And this is using real artificial intelligence, not pretend artificial intelligence, like legitimate artificial intelligence. All right, so we got our entity, our player, a name, and then I suppose when we instantiate things. Okay, so we got the game, we got the player, we get the AI, we get the width of the screen, right? The screen width, the current state of the game, the delta, which is going to be based on the current frame that's rendered. Object-oriented programming is especially more complicated ones in games. Yeah, in games, you got it. You got it, Y704KA. Actually, not that good. Entities, it's all good. Entities and components are much more flexible, albeit can be a bit harder to comprehend. Yet you got to definitely pay attention in some cases. So that's why we're not going to try to create too many abstractions here. We do not want to create too many abstractions. We want to keep things super clean, super clean. Do you need a powerful PC? Nope. It can run on your phone. We're going to make this super. You don't even need a GPU. You don't even need a GPU. It'll be able to run on your phone. All right, so let's see. Let's start initializing everything the right way. Okay, so let's make a player. So we'll do a def main. So we'll do this here. Main. We'll run main, and then we go up here, and we'll have a def main. All right, so let's bring this back up to the top. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Just making up some clean things here. All right, so def main. All right, we want to create the game. The game is going to be we need to pull all these things up here at the top, though, is what we got to do. We got to pull everything up here at the top. Perfect. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent. I like it. I like it. Is has. Oops. It hit sent accidentally. Yeah. I'll be vanishing. Cool, Quantified Quantum. Thank you for hanging out for a bit. I know it's getting to the evening hours over there, or early morning hours, and sleep needs to happen eventually. It needs to happen. All right, here we go. Jumping back in over here. So now we've got all the things. So we're going to create a game class like this. And then I believe... Oh, wait. We also need a player. Player is going to be player like this. Position. We don't need a speed. Although I'll just say 1. Sizes, yep, green looks good. Yep, all right. NP, do we have NumPy? We do, okay. Looks good, looks good. Vector, player position is going to be 1, 1, because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where player position is. And then we want AI equals AI. Excellent. All right. Are we looking good here? So the center of the screen, I'd like it to be the center of the screen. So screen, how do we want to do this? Width equals 720. Yep. And then height is going to be 1280. Excellent. 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 We're doing good here, you guys. We're making some cleaning some things up, making it look good. Although I don't know if I want. I think what we're going to do here is, I think we're just going to do this. Because I don't want the extra indentation, and we're not going to be doing anything different here. So I think we're going to do it like this. I think we're just going to keep things clean and simple, and then we're going to go into the main game. Main game setup. Setup. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Let's see here. Bring this up to the top. Okay. Excellent. Name the game. We got to come up with a name for the game, you guys. You can even write your own AI machine learning models. Oh, there are a lot of tutorials. That's actually good. Okay, it's not something like an LLM, which uses a lot of RAM. You're totally right. AIs and machine learning can run on very small very small. It does not require a lot of hardware. Not a lot of hardware, you guys. Doesn't require a lot of hardware. We're looking good here. Okay, so let's see here. Hey, how's it going, Science C? Hey, how's it going, Science CJ? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. We're making a game that is where the AI chases you. Where the AI chases you. All right, so instantiating all the things. Game is a game. Is that going to run or is it going to crash? Okay, so yep. Okay, so we need it. The game, it needs to be initialized. What I would like, actually, you know what? I think we're fine. I think we can do this perfectly fine. Just like this. Here we go. Player AI with height state play. I think that'll be fine. Delta 0 looks good. Screen is going to be, we need a screen. We need the screen to be a surface. Okay, so where is screen at? Here we go. Screen is going to be here. All right, perfect. Perfect. There we go. That's what we're looking for. It's going to be this. Excellent. And this needs to be width and height. Width and height. City of Dis. Joshua. How's it going, Joshua? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Let's see, this will be width and height. Perfect. HEIGHT. Looks good. Looks good. All right. Clock is going to be a clock. We need to set. We need to get the clock. Will be Pygame clock. Perfect. Looking good. Okay. So there we go. There we go. Even if the AI needs to fetch data from the internet to learn, or does that now become an LLM? Oh, okay. So Bubba Bear. So in this case, it is going to learn from your movements. It's going to learn from the player movements. It's actually kind of neat. It's really neat. So let's see if it works now. Is it running? Okay, we're running it. So you see here, the AI, it's learning from the player movements. It knows the track. So what I need to do right now is in hard mode. It's in very hard mode. It's like actively seeking me. However, if we make an easier mode, right? So let's see here. Where's this at here? Where do we have number of losses? Where do we have? Where's the train method? Here we go. Oh, 3,000. So, right, we'll stick it to just 30, for example, right? And so this will be like level 1. This will be level 1. Here we go. So here's level 1. See the AI? It doesn't know how to follow us. Right? The AI. It doesn't know how to follow us. Leslie, Looney, Shuri, welcome on in. Thank you for your subscription. Well, thank you for your subscription. To see how it didn't know what to do there. It didn't know what to do. So that'll be like level 1, and then it'll just like zoom past you. But every single level, it remembers. It doesn't forget. It stopped lagging. Oh, it was lagging there for a second. Oh no, it's not good. So the data is fed is enormous, making it an. Oh right. So if it's an right, because that's a large language, right? You could have just a language model, right? You could have just a language model, right? It doesn't have to be large. It does, unless you want a lot of data. In Pac-Man, the ghosts have different chase algorithms. Pac-Man, but every ghost AI is written on its own chase personality. Sounds really cool, actually. It is. It's kind of neat. That's basically what we're doing, although we've got some real AI involved here. We got the real AI, not pretend AI, for real. It's like legit AI. All right, so this will be like level 1. Maybe we'll do like 100 to make it a little more. That'll be like level 1. So this is the kinds of things that we got to do. So see how it chases you, and then it doesn't know. It like runs away. So we need to add difficulty. We'll add difficulty to the game over time. Game names: Wanted, You Got AI Mail, Stalker, Jury Duty. Jury Duty 5. Wait, no, just Jury Duty. We could call it Jury Duty 5 because why not? Revenge of the AI IRS. All right, I like that. I like Jury Duty. Wanted. All right, You Got AI Mail. Perfect. You Got AI Mail. I like that. Those are good. Those are funny. I like that. Yeah, City of Dis. All right, game name. City of Dis. All right, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Well, I don't even know what that means. What is that? Do companies make fake AI? Absolutely. They sure do. They absolutely make fake AI. You got it. All right, we also had Stalker. I missed that one. Stalker. All right, so some game name ideas. I love it. It's really good. Good ideas, you guys. Is a and has a. Is a and has a. Yes. What makes something object-oriented programming or not? Yes, exactly. Composition and dependency injection are used everywhere in web dev. Most web projects use some or all for principles of object. Yes, it depends. It really depends. SM dev. So there are like situations where it works a lot. Though if you have abstractions where you're not necessarily leveraging it a lot, then it's an unnecessary abstraction, and you really just want to use whatever its fundamental aspect is. In that case, its fundamental aspect. Hey, Meme Coin, how's it going? For the past few days, I tried to train an AI on Sol and used USDT 5M candle data. How should I do it? I'm new to AI. So yeah, you're doing it right. So you probably want to do like a sequential model. So it takes a whole bunch of sequences and is able to predict the output prediction. So you give it like 5 minutes, and every minute will be one data point, right? And then you input that into that's the input of the model, and the output will be whether the price increases or decreases, right? So that'll be a simple one. Or you could say whether the price increases by 10%, or 20%, or 30%, or decreases by those numbers, right? So then that's a cross entropy type classification model that you could do. There you go. There's your answer. This is interesting. We make accessible games for Brother using AI, just Gen AI. Nice. And this gives me some ideas for how to implement actual AI. That's what we're doing. We're doing real AI here, you guys. Chase. Oh, I like that. The jam. Nice. All right. That's going up there. That's going for that. CHAI, right? Chase E. There we go. Chase, right? There you go. Like Chase. There you go. I like that one. That's a good one. Nice name. Don't get me wrong. I agree with not using too many abstractions or inheritance. Yep, for the sake of using it, it's good. Abstraction should only be done when it makes sense. You got it. That's absolutely. Oh, Steven, can you add on-screen chat? Most streams have it as a multi-live now. Oh, yes. That's a good idea. We could totally do that. All right, I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I'll set it up later. I'll add that as a to-do item to make the stream better, you guys, to make the stream better. Also, I've got some music here. Click the music button there. A little bit of background music for you. Little bit of background music. Okay, so let's get going here. We need to get back onto this. One thing that we have to do today is refactor this entire thing to make it look clean and organized. That's what we got to do. All right, so we've initialized all the main game setup here. Game, all right, looks good. And then we need to render, right? So def render. I think render, we could do a render entity. I think that's what we could do. I think we could do something like this. Render player. This will be the player and the AI. Player and AI. Yep, exactly. There we go. Okay. All right, looking good. And then we have def render game. Like the whole game. The whole game. Okay, perfect. Render entity display flip. Yep, looks good. Okay, and then we need to use the clock. Where's the clock at? Where's the clock? DT clock tick. All right, perfect. Tick. All right, so and then this. All right, time to go. See you next stream. School sounds good. Quantum. Take care. I always thought AI takes a lot of code to make, but I was wrong. I know, right? AI could take some code if you're making a lot, right? So we are using a framework. So don't get me wrong. We are definitely using a framework, which takes care of a lot of the code. So it makes it a lot simpler. It makes it a lot simpler, you guys. There we go. Just dropping that down audio a bit. Okay. DT. Okay. Yep. All right. So where is it? Game dot del, right? Delta. DELTI equals that. Excellent. Perfect. So now we've got the game delta. Pygame draw screen. All right. So where do we use DT? Oh, so DT is going to be used to update the speed inside. Hey, how's it going? X Hurston Alive. Hey, X, how's it going? X Hurston Alive. Good to see you. Well, thank you for the subscription. We're really coding here. Joined late, bro. What's cooking? Hey, the last attack. We're building a game. We're making an AI game that chases you. Right now, we've got one task is just to organize. Hey, hello, X Hurston Live. Thank you for joining in. I appreciate it. Good to have you over there. We're making games. We're making games here. That's what we're doing. We're organizing all the code so that way it's nice and clean and simple. That's the plan that we're doing right now. That's what we're doing here. Get screen width height. We don't need that because we already have it here. We don't need screen width and height. We already got it. We got it. We're good to go. So let's see here. All right. So we're going to render entity, render game. Looks good. Okay. Render entity, flip. What else are we missing? We need to set up the game. So let's copy and paste this. All right. So main game assets, right? The game assets. Okay. We're looking good here. So, all right. So those are classes, game assets here. Looking good. And then where do I want? Okay. I think we can start. So screen is only used. Where is this? Okay. Get width and height. We don't need. We do need that here though. We do need it here. Okay. So where is that at? Screen, render game.screen. Okay. So this gives us access. So this gives us full access. Does it give it access? I think it does. So, but we have the fill here. Interesting. I need to think about that for a second. I need to think about it. Oh, hey, Matt. How's it going, Matthew? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right. So where are we at? All right. So we got that. We got this player position. We do need to do this. So this is something that we do need. Okay. So we do need to do that. All right. Should we have, so in this case, for the game, do we even need this? I guess we'll keep it there for now. What we making? Hey, Kit Kat Life. Oh, we are making a game. We're making AI that can chase you. AI that chases you. Is it still work? It still works. Okay. So you see here, we got an AI that chases you. Right now, it's not very smart. But it will get smart every level. Every level will get smarter. It's scary. I know. It's actually a lot of fun. I was enjoying it. a lot. So let's bump it up to 500 so you can see what it looks like when it's chasing you. Now it's like, now it's coming for you, right? So the difficulty is a little bit higher. It's a little bit higher, right? And so right about now, there it goes. See, right? Oh, see, we can trick it. We can trick it. Oh, it knows. It knows. Oh, and see, there we go. See, we beat it that time. We beat it. So that would be like level 2 or something, right? Level 2. So that's what we got to do. That's the plan. All right. So all we got to do is organize this. And then once we organize it, we're all good to go. We're all good to go. So this will be the model. All right. So grab this over here. What is the number? What do you mean? What's the number? A bunch of numbers. There's a whole lot of numbers, not just one, just like a whole lot of them. To make a game more difficult, make the player get bigger. Oh, yeah, Kit Kat, there you go. The player could get bigger and you don't have as much screen to run away from the AI. You got it. That's a good idea. Today, your shorts started popping up on your feed really out of nowhere. The jam? Oh, that's crazy. Pretty rad to catch you live. Nice. We're live now. Got my sub. Thank you, the jam. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. All right. Or add places to hide. Yes, there we go. We got to add places to hide. I like that one. That's a good one. I like that one. Add places to hide. Add places to hide. All right. We got some improvements there. Make player grow. Make player grow as game difficulty increases. Perfect. There we go. There we go. We got to spell player correctly. P-L-A-Y. P-L-A-Y. There we go. Player, you guys. The Lin 500. Oh, the Lin 500. Got it. That's the difficulty. That's the difficulty for the round, right? So this basically how long the AI gets a chance to sort of pay attention. It's the attention span of the AI, right? Because once the AI stops learning, but it's going to remember. It'll remember every single level. It'll remember every move that you've ever made. Isn't this neat? This is why it's actual real AI. So as you progress, level 1, it's very important what your strategy is going to be at level 1. And then level 2, the AI remembers everything you did at level 1. And level 3, the AI still remembers what you did in level 1 and 2 at the same time. So you need a strategy. You got to have a strategy. Wait, what? Yep, reinforcement. Yeah, July. Or hey, how's it going, July? You're starting reinforcement learning, Hugging Face course. Nice. What are you doing? We're basically, that's what we're doing. Steven, you're in my mind. Abba. All right. There we go. July or excellent. That's basically what we're doing. We're kind of doing some reinforcement. Like Tron. It is like Tron. It's exactly very simple. The enemy tries to trap you. Yeah, it's coming for you. It's going to chase you. It's going to get the AI. It's going to get you. Be careful. When people get more levels, the PC or whatever they use will run slower. Oh, yeah. We could reduce the speed or your capability. We could slow you down. All right. We can do that. Add a slowness. Make player slower. Make player slower. P-L-A-Y-E-R slower. There we go. Hey, there you go. Right? We could slow you down. We could slow you down. Type object. The type object. There's a type object if you want. There you go. I mean, if you want, we'll see here. Okay. All right. Player game looks good with height of the screen. We're all happy here. Main game setup. AI game. Okay. So got the screen, got the clock. Delta player width. Okay. Screen entity. Okay. We do need the screen when we're rendering. Okay. When we're rendering the entity. Otherwise, we have the game. All right. So this is the problem I was having with the circular. So if we can do it with just game screen, can we do it with game screen? Is that possible? Can we do that? Because if that's possible, then we don't need this, right? We could just do, we don't need that there. Oh, right. Oh, right. Okay. Got it. See, the one thing I got to be paying attention is Pygame versus game, because those are two separate things now. They're both different things, but they're very important. Okay, let's see here. Player while running. Fill looks good. Okay. So what I want to do is, let's do render the game. So this is the main game loop. All right, so this is where we're going to get in here. So we'll just say while game dot running. I think is it called game dot running? Is it? Do I have that here? Where's the game? Here we go. AI state running equals true. Okay, I think we need to do that. Here we go. Running. Perfect. All right. So this is the main game loop. Main game loop. Good. This is entertaining. I'm learning. Excellent. Kit Kat Life. That's great to hear. Good to hear. All right. So we've got the main game loop. Then we want to render. render the game, and that's it. Although, so this will just be the main game loop, and then I think what we want to do is we need to put the game state here. So we have different screens. Render game. This will be the game screen, and so we need to figure out the game state. Match game.state case.play. Perfect. All right, there we go. So this will be the main game loop here. Render game, and then we'll have like game over, right? So we have a def render game over. Over. We could do something like that. Maybe we'll do something like that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like that or not. What if the closer it gets, your screen starts to shake? Yeah, there we go. The jam. Now you're thinking. This was exactly. You got to make it intense, right? Okay, so this is a good one. All right, so to make it scary, right? We got to make it scary. All right, let's close that. All right, so we're gonna make it scary here. All right, so the idea is as AI gets closer, the screen shakes, gets red like that. It gets red. Also, scary music gets louder. There we go. As the AI gets closer. Yep, exactly. Right? Exactly. That's what we're doing. These are like the minimum features that we want to add. And then once we get that, we'll be done. I think we'll be done. There you go. Keep AI up. There you go. That's what it is. All right. Hey, bro, how's it going? Good to see you. Elias. How's it going? Elias Verk. Good to see you. All right. So we've got scary. We've got to get the scary stuff in there. It sounds good. All right. Let me get rid of some of that there. Looks good. Okay. Player speed looking good. Render game loop. This is the main game loop here. Game. Okay. So, Pygame quit. That's fine. That'll be there at the bottom. We have that plate. All right. So now what we got to do is when we render the AI, I want to do all of this inside the rendering of the AI. When we render the AI, all of this has to go there. So we need to add this into the AI itself. Into the AI section. You could possibly, and like law, as in the story, like why is the thing chasing you? Oh, Kit Kat life, right? So we'll have minimal story. We'll add some minimal story, right? All right, let's do that. All right, some story here. Story. Why is the AI chasing the player? All right. So that's as far as the story goes. That's it. We won't go any deeper because we want to make sure that there's no. It's like really obvious. We want to make sure that's really obvious. Okay. I misspelt like that crazy. Hey, we're all good. We know what's going on. Thor and his hammer. I mean, that could be a reason. The last attack, we could the last attack. Thor and hammer, right? We could, right? Maybe. Question mark. Okay. Let's pop back in over here. Okay. We have to finish this, and then I have to get going. How long have we been here? Okay. So we are almost out of time. So I have to like really focus now. I have to really focus. All right. So running true. All right. What we need to do is, so all this code is done here. Let me delete that over here. We're gonna get back into it now. There we go. Pygame quit. Looks good. We need all of this to go into the AI section. Render entity. But we also need to do render AI. Def render AI game. Looks good. And then paste that in. All right, cool. Excellent. So we got the game. Yes, this is what we need. That is what we need. This is what we need. Okay, so this solves our circular dependency problem. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Okay, so this needs to be game, like that. And so the game.screen is it. That's what we need. That's what we need. That's what I'm looking for this whole time. There we go. Perfect. I love it. Much better. Much better. So it's always expecting game to be in there. Although I suppose if we wanted to, we could just define all these functions within the game itself, the game class, and then we don't. But then we just have to say self, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're over optimizing it. We're over optimizing it. Yo, how's it going, William Rainbird? William Rainbird, welcome on in. Good to have you in here. I feel like you should add a max level because people might get too far. Yes, we should add that max level. Okay, I'll add that to the to list here. All right, max level for winner, right? For winner. So we need to cap it out. So at a certain level, right? Like level 10 might be the max, or maybe level 20. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll figure it out. Like maybe 20 levels, and then you win. This is gonna be a free game. We're not gonna sell it. It's all free, completely open source. So let's see. Let's keep going. All right, render game, render AI. So we got the game. All right, so player position. We need this to be different. So this will be game.player.position. There we go. Perfect. All right, that's how we do that. You guys. And then we've got the AI. All right, so we do the same thing over here. Game.ai.position. Perfect. All right. Making our way. We're making our way. Game.width. I think is it game.width? I think it's game.width. I'm pretty sure, right? Is it game.width? Yes, it is. All right. Excellent. Okay, so we'll just do this. Width equals game.width. Same for height. HEIGHT. Perfect. Excellent. Life looking good, you guys. Looking good. Let me do width and then height. Perfect. Are you making a video on your channel? Yeah, we're doing it. Hey, Bill DWP, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Yes, this will be a video. KitKat Life, this will be a video. It will turn into a video. It's currently a live stream, and then we'll eventually turn into a video. Width, and then height, HEI. There we go. Looking good. All right. Game.player. Let's see here. Game.player.position. Excellent. Right, like this. Looking good. Oh, and the same for the AI. Same for the AI here as well. Paste that. Paste it. Dot. Okay. All right. So now we've got it. I believe this is everything we need. DX, width, height, labels, features. Looking good. You guys. Oh, yay. Excellent. Yeah, good to hear it. Thank you. All right, AI direction. So this is, I think that's fine. Let me see here. So we've got a train function here. Features and labels. We don't need that anymore. I'm going to keep that there. For now. So return the output. So this will just be the training part. Features, levels, game. I think we need the game in there, right? So the game type. There we go. I was going to super chat, but I'm broke. Hey, no, don't worry about it. Hey, just to have you here is great. It's all fantastic. I'm so happy you're here. Wait, what game is he making? Nostarok. We are making a game where the AI learns to chase you. The AI really learns to chase you. Line 142, there's an extra 142. Thank you. Hey, good eye. Hey, I'm pressing thank you. Thank you for that, Matthew. You're keeping things happening here. I appreciate it. Thank you for finding little syntax errors. I would have been like, what happened there? Thank you. I typoed. So do you really have AI set up? Yep, to automate your video. Oh, I do. Yep, you got it. They really do. Yep, I don't make them custom. The AI takes care of it. Nostro, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. It's fantastic to have you here. And then we also have Marvin. Hey, Marvin, thank you for subscription. Hey, welcome on in. This is the channel for writing software. We're writing code, and we're also heavily focused on artificial intelligence. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, it's great to have you guys in here. All right, so we're almost through. See, this is what I keep doing. I keep pressing enter there and making things all out of place. All right, so I do believe that looks good. So, so this is the part we need to say. Oh, width. There we go. And then this is height, HEIGHT, because we have to. So that's the AI position. Okay, AI directions. This is fine. Oh, and then DT. So game.delta, right? So game.delta. That's what we got to do there. Redo that. Yep. Delta. Perfect, you guys. Perfect. Looking good. With height, excellent. But this is going to be different. We need it to be game.ai like this. It's got to match this here. Here we go. Game.ai. Perfect. Looking good. We're almost there. Make it to capture you, and the next player has to save as a bonus side quest. Hey, Joshua, that's a neat. So when you so that's a good idea. I like that one. Let's see. Let's put that under like ideas. Ideas. And so when you lose or when player is captured, next player can be saved. Yeah, right. So that's an idea. I like that idea. I like that. Let me type this correctly. It's captured. There we go. Got to spell correctly, you guys. Hey, Shadow, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Shadow 1K5. Are you for real? Yes, we are. So kind and nice to everyone. Yeah, that's the idea. Have nice fun. We're making actual code. We're coding. We're having fun here. And we've got one goal for the stream today. The stream, we got to make sure that we reorganize. We got to reorganize everything. So that way, see, the big thing is we're going to have a bunch of different case. We're going to have a bunch of cases. We'll have a game over case, right? And then we'll have like, right, intro screen, case, intro, right? So we've got some things to do here. So this allows us, our abstraction is going to allow us to have multiple game states, which enable us to give different like screens, to paint the screen differently. Hey, Frederick. Hey, Frederick, how's it going, bro? Hi. Good to have you in here. How do I subscribe? Bill WB, you click the subscribe button. You just click the subscribe button. That's all you got to do. I'm surprised you're not at 100 million subs already. Hey, Kit Kat Life, we're on our way. We're on our way. We're making it happen. One subscriber at a time for who is interested in joining in to watch the stream and talk about software engineering and artificial intelligence. You guys go back to side note, player misspelled. Okay. Oh, you're right. Yeah, you got it. You got a little Joshua. You're right. You got to spell it correctly. There you go. Player. Got to spell it correctly. Thank you for mentioning it. All right. So almost all done. AI directions. I think that's fine. I think we're good here. Game.delta looks good. Okay. So render the AI game. I'm just going to walk through the code real quick. Width height looks good. Player position, AI position looks good. We're looking good, you guys. Punchtail. Hey, Punchtail, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. You joined the channel for software engineering and artificial intelligence. That's what we're doing. Are you making a RuneScape from scratch? Not quite, Tuned Cake. Thank you for asking, though. It's not even close. RuneScape will be way beyond with what we're making. We're making a game very quickly. It'll be fun. It's exciting. I want to add sound effects, make some more graphics, and then keep it simple. And then we'll release it. We'll release it live. We'll release it for free, and it's all open source, completely open source. And it's using real artificial intelligence, not for pretend and not custom coded. It's written. The AI will do all the learning all on its own. So it's a kind of like a reinforcement learning, because it's all based on how you play and how you move on the screen. What's this? What is this? Delay. I don't like that. What is that? Let's get rid of that. What is that? Let's see here. Text. What is text? Game over. Oh, got it. Okay, so this is I need to read my own code here, you guys. I got to read my code. I pulled out my laptop and started coding because of you. Really? Kit Kat Life, nice. Like right now. Hey, let's code together. We're coding together, guys. Subscribing. Looking forward to trying your game. Excellent. Yeah, we'll release it on the App Store, but and also we'll put it on our Discord channel so you can join the Discord channel and then try it right there for free. It'll always be free. It'll be for free. Completely for free, you guys. For free. All right, so we've got the render game over, render AI, render entity, which will be the player, right? So there'll be the player. I also need to render the text, so the name. So the entity, how do we want to do this? Can you just say, I think we just say pass, right? We can do this. Can we say pass like that? And then highlight that out. And then entity will also have a name like this. It's a string. And then player, where's our player at? Our player will be, hey, what is it? Another subscriber, Chris Sawyer. Chris Sawyer, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. This is the channel for artificial intelligence and video game making, apparently, because that's what we're doing. I personally never made a game, but how does a progress starting to make a game look? and what is important stuff I don't know when making one? Jonas. Good question, Jonas. You just got to start by drawing a circle. And then draw another circle. That's what we did. That's all you got to do is, your laptop type. No, that's terrible. That's terrible. You were just getting things out. You got to plug it in. So what is the model pre-trained? It's not pre-trained. It's going to learn every single game. It's going to learn from scratch. It only trains with the game. You got it. It only learns with the game. You got it. That's it. What code are you using? This is Python, David. David, this is Python. Why don't you use self in the class? Oh, because we're using data class. We're using data class, you guys. That's what we're doing. Because important, one of my things with code quality is making sure that you do not over-indent. I want to keep indentation very low. And so if you do it in a certain way, it keeps it so that way you do not indent a whole lot. And it makes it also easy to read the code. What name the script language? Python? Mero. What name this script language? It's called Python. Yep, the last stack, you got it. The Python. It's called Python, you guys. All right, so running, delay, looks good. Running false, okay. Tick, yep, looking good. Game delta, yep, clock. Oh, game.clock. Game.clock, there we go. Pygame display flip, looks good. Render entity, game screen purple. Game, looking good. Okay, so this is render AI. Okay, so render entity is going to be, this needs to be here. So I think what we got to do is this. There we go. So we render the entity there. And then we do render AI game. Perfect. There we go. Looking good, you guys. Oh, hey, Unique. How's it going, Unique? Over there. Yeah, I'm about to work on my Godot game now. Haven't touched it in a while. Hey, there you go. That's the way to do it. Get the Godot going. Got to get the Godot going. It's a difficult word to say because it's spelled Godot. It's spelled the Godots. You got to get the Godots going there. All right, so what are we missing? Did we do init? Did we do the init? We didn't. Okay, so we do need to do the init. All right, so init. We've got the screen. Don't worry about that. We've got the clock. We've got the DT. Looking good there. We've got the learning rate. Do we have the learning rate? Learning. Yep. All right, looks good. Learning rate. So this is the AI. Good. Look, good. Delete. We've got the optimizer. We got the loss. Yep. All right. There's the train function, which needs to go up higher. Let's see here. Def. All right. Perfect. Train. Looking good. Almost done, you guys. Almost done. Hey, what are you trying to do? We are making a game where the AI learns to chase you and you have to run away. It's a lot of fun. I realized yesterday when we were making this game yesterday, or we were just making the AI chase you, I realized that it was actually kind of fun. It turned out it was kind of fun. And so we can add levels of difficulty and turn it into a real game. We're going to turn it into a real game, you guys. That's what we're doing. I'm learning computer science for an elective. Pretty easy so far. Will it be hard in the future? Yes, Taz. It gets difficult. Actually, you know what? If you find it easy right now, then you're already to a good start. You're on a good start. Can you show us the game so far? I can. However, it's not. I broke it. It's broken right now. It's broken. So like if I run it, it's not going to work. See, it's broken. So we got to do a few things. Here. AI equals. All right. So name equals AI. AI Terminator. No, just AI. I was going to call it AI. And then the name for the player is already defined here. All right. Perfect. Got the name for the player. All right. So see, it's broken. There. Okay. So game, we're missing something. Unexpected argument running. Okay. Run. Running. So is this, so here in the game state, game class, where's their game class at? Is it right here? Okay. Running equals bool. It's a bool. There we go. Running bool. Excellent. There we go. You have any idea for the name? Yes, we do. We've got some ideas here. Check it out. So we've got a list of names here. Game name ideas right here at the top of the screen. Here, I'll brighten it up for you. AI Terminator. Chase with like the AI in it, right? So you've got like AI in it right here. So let's see here. So we got Chase. We got Jury Duty 5. Revenge of the AI, IRS. Stalker, Wanted. You Got AI Mail. All right? Or City of Dis. Those are, if you have any ideas, let me know. Let me know if you have any ideas. Can you show the model definition? Yeah, it's really simple. It's a really simple one. So model, here we go. Here's the model right here. Where to go? Oh, we deleted it. Where did it go? It's not like it was a complicated one. So let's save that. 999U. There we go. Model. Here we go. Here's the model. Y 999 redo. There we go. So where do we do the model at real quick? Here's the AI. Okay. All right, model. Here we go. And then we'll set model to model. Perfect. There we go. So here's the model. Isn't it simple? Hey, there you go. There's the model right there. Nothing complex. All runs on your CPU without any problems. Can you show the model definition? Yep, there is the game. It needs to be large for simple 2D game. Very cool idea. I'm interested. I know, right? It's a lot of fun. It's really neat. Oh, I understand. Most advanced examples of this might be alien isolation. I think there was an alien, learns where it hides, etc. Yeah, that is, you got it. So this is a simple version of that. It's very simple. I like Chase with the AI. You do, Tozy? Tozy edits? Nice. That's great to hear. Good to see that you have one of them caught your eye. All right. Size, speed. So level. Okay. And then we'll probably level it up at some point. All right. Game, plate, state. Looks good. Play. Okay. We're getting really close. Looks good here. Render looking good here. Okay, train. So do we call the train function? I think we call it in the AI. Excellent. We call it there. Okay. Looking good here. So we're looking good. I'll put model, game.model. That's what we got to do. Game.optimizer. Labels, torch tensor features. Labels. Yep. Features and labels. Looks good. Also, I think what I want to do. Nah, I think we're fine. See, here's the problem. I'm over optimizing it, so I'll add a to do for later. To do. Consider. What do I want? I want to consider encoding and decoding in here. Consider encoding, decoding. This is what I want. Inside this function, inside this method. Or it's not a method, it's a function. It's a function, you guys. It's a function. So that's a future consideration. Future consideration, you guys. Okay, so where are we? So losses. This is going to be, so this is a to-do based on level. So how difficult it is, right? So based on difficulty. And then game optimizer, torch tensor looks good. Print output loss. Okay, so this is be the loss function from the I think it's AI, right? So we can say game.ai.loss, right? Perfect. AI.model, game.ai.optimizer, right? Game.ai.losses. Where is do we have losses somewhere else here? Here we go. Game.ai.losses. Game.ai. Same here. Okay. Looking good. Okay, so do we have lang game.ai.losses is okay, looking good here. Same there. Okay. Loss should be game.ai.loss. Oh no, it's not, because we got the loss right here. So we don't need that. Print output. Good. What IDE are you using? Oh, Build DWP. We are using Vim. So you say here Vim, you see here on the screen. It's just a simple text editor. You guys. That's what we're doing. Vim. It's called Vim. VIM. There you go. VIM on the screen. You guys. Okay, so return. Oh, right. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. Looks good. Okay, so this stops the AI from learning based on the level. So actually, let's do it. Let's do this now. All right. Game.level. Wait, is level in game or AI? It's here. I think we should put this in here. I think we should put it here. Although, let's keep it where it is, because the AI is basically the difficulty, right? So I think that's fine. game times, we'll do 100, right? We'll do 100. I think that's a good idea. Where's the GitHub link? Oh, it's on our Discord. It's on our Discord. So with the naming convention with loss and losses, so confusing. So a loss will be the one, right? So this is just one loss, right? So it's one sample, and losses is going to be all the losses combined, right? So basically, it's all the losses. So let's do this here, so you can see the difference. Loss versus losses, right? There you go. That's the difference. That's the difference. And we're keeping track of all the losses. Although we should okay, here we need to trim losses to last 500. You know, we could probably do that now. Game.ai.losses equals that. There we go. Perfect. Done. To do complete. We did it. We completed it. Okay. Now, is it good to go? All right. Player position. We need to update the player position. Okay. So how do we do this? So that's the AI position. No, we don't need. Okay. So this isn't needed anymore because we've already defined that. So we're done here. Okay. So this needs to go. We do need this in the game loop. All right. So we do need to pull that out while running. Game loop. All right, so game event handling. Yeah, handling events, and then game state. Perfect. Looking good. Looking good. Hey, how's it going, Ernest? How's it going, Ernest? Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. Oh, I think that that loss was representing the loss as in the error. You got it. You got it. AI stuff. This is AI stuff, right? You got it. Hey, Ernest, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. We're really coding here. It's like really coding for real. For real coding. All right, we don't need that anymore. We do need this. This needs to happen. Where do we want to do this at? Let's see. We need to update player position. So I think what we could do is have a function def update player. Update player is what we could do. We could do that. Greg Lee, how's it going, Greg Lee? Thank you for your subscription. We're coding some AI game today. We're making a game where the AI chases you. Glad to be your follower. Yep, there you go. I have requested you on LinkedIn. All right, cool. The last stack. I'll see if I can find you. Let me know what your name is on LinkedIn so I can find you, because there's a lot of connections on LinkedIn. A lot of connections. All right, here we go. So I need to grab this code here. Update the player position. All right, there we go. Update player position. So mouse X and Y. So here, I'll just do this X and Y. It's easier to deal with. And then we say game.player.position. Like that. Just like that. Then repeat it, and then repeat that. X. Excellent. Excellent. All right. So that's the player position. Update player. Is there anything else that we want to deal with here? So we need to put this in our game render. Game render. Perfect. All right. Update. Render entity. Here we go. Update player. And second. You'll see me. Omkar. Okay. I'll try to remember Omkar. I'll try to remember Omkar. Got it. Render entity, render AI. What we could do is say render player, and then game, like that. And then instead, so there we go. So we got that. So now instead of update player, we call it render player, like that. Perfect. Boom. We did it. All right. Excellent. Although we probably bring this up here. Nice. Just FYI for anyone, Vim does have a big learning curve. It does. Yeah, you're right. The Jam. You're right. Don't be fooled by how easy he makes it look. I know we're zooming around here. We are zooming. Okay, so we're locked in, you guys. We are locked in. Or almost done, and then the last thing we'll do is we'll make sure the game runs like it did before, and then that will be the end of stream for today. And then I got to go and take care of some other business items that I got to take care of. All right, so render game, we're not doing that. Train looks good. We'll deal with the encoding, decoding later. The code is never going to run. It'll run, it'll run. I know, John Wiku, it'll run. We'll figure it out. We'll definitely figure it out. Okay, so we don't need that anymore. We don't need that. All right, I think we did it. So all we have to do is find any bugs or errors that we have. And then we're good to go. So like this, I don't know if this works or not. It's like, I don't know. I don't know if it works or not. Player, happiness. We'll just say float. We'll do something like that. Player happiness, right? And we'll have a different level of happiness based on how much the AI is chasing you. Be positive, Johnny. Hey, Johnny, it's all good. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Okay, so player float happiness. I need to see player equals player, and then we have happiness. Happiness is 100%. There we go. Happiness is 100%. Okay. All right, let's run it. Okay, we got a problem. Problem right here. Losses. Missing one parameter. Okay, losses equals. So that was in the AI. Okay, so go to the AI entity instantiation right here. Oh, wait, that doesn't work? Wait, what do you mean it doesn't work? Missing one required argument running. Oh, running. 1 second. That's the wrong spot. We put it in the wrong spot. That's why it wasn't working before. Okay, there we go. Fix that. Okay, got an unexpected argument running. In the game, did I spell it wrong? Is it spelled incorrectly? Or did we just have to put it there? There we go, running. All right, boom. Oh, almost. It popped up for a second. What does data class? Does it make JSON objects essentially? Yes, the jam is basically kind of like a simple version of creating your own object in Python without having to use dictionaries, which is a rather cumbersome and a lot of indentation and a lot of extra characters. This is a clean version of it. It's a clean version. So it makes it really simple and clean. All right. Oh, 1 second. Let's rerun that. Okay. What is missing? Render game, render AI. Okay. So, I see. Render AI. Here we go. Game. Game. Wait, it doesn't like that? Wait. Does it? No, that's fine. Game. Games everywhere. It's got everything. Why is it not like that? Render game, line 234. All right, 234. Do we not have the game? We do have the game. The game, is it not, is it like out of scope? Is it out of scope, or are we missing something? Or does render game require more stuff? No, it requires game. Heck yeah, thanks. Super helpful. Yeah, thank you. Good questions, you guys. Good questions. Hey, code length to the internet, man. How snappy Ghosty terminal is. Truly, isn't it great? That's why I switched over to it. That's why I switched to Ghosty, because it's a beautiful terminal and it works very well. All right, so we have got labels, train missing one required positional argument, labels. Okay, let's do this one first. Train, features, labels, game. Oh, right. Okay. Train game. There we go. You got to get the game in there because we got to pass that around. Okay. Game AI optimizer 0 grad. It doesn't like that. Did we not instantiate the optimizer? Yeah, we did. We totally did, right? I thought we did. Where's that at? That is at line 200. Okay. Game. Optimizer. Where is that at? All right. It's an Atom W. That's why. There we go. Okay, because it's none. It's a none type. All right, let's bring that back in. Optimizer is going to be this. Here we go. Copy over here. And then the learning right here, we'll just copy and paste that. So that way that's the same. Model. We've got the model up here. Yep, model parameters, model. Okay, excellent. And then loss is going to be 0, I think, for now. Well, let's say 0 loss. There. Okay, I think we're good to go. All right. Looking good now. All right, let's rerun it. See if we got it now. Oh, it almost came up. Game object has no attribute level. Oh, got it. Okay, so game.ai. So where was that? That was on line 204. 204. Okay. 204 GG. And that will be AI dot. Perfect. Super helpful. Heck, thanks. Oh, wait. Sorry, I already read that one. How are you navigating through code so fast? Really cool. Isn't it FBML? FBML. This is called Vim. It's the Vim code editor. It lets you do all the things that you want very quickly. Very quickly. Super duper quick. All right, line 209. We got another error. 209. GG. It doesn't like that. What is wrong with that? Int object is not callable. Oh, right. Okay, this is the loss function. All right, so loss. I forgot about that. 1 second, we can fix that. Loss fn. F, there we go. And this will be this. So let's copy and paste that right there. This over here is going to be bop. There we go, like that. Just like that, you guys. Easy. All right, next one. We got it. All right, a few more errors here. Backward. Lost that backward. Object has no attribute name. MSC loss has no attribute backward. Did we do that wrong? Is this wrong? See here. Where is it? Oh, this. Okay, so we got to figure this out. Is that what are we doing wrong here? What are we doing wrong? WS let's see here. I feel like I had the exact same chair. Hey, yeah, it's just a generic office chair is what we got here. Generic office chair. You got an Office Max? We just got it from Amazon. You guys. A simple Office Max chair, yeah. May I ask, what is the first coding language you learned? C++, which was a mistake. You don't want to learn C++ as the first language. It is not the first language you want to meet. So backward, where's back? So yeah, see, that should work. Lost that backward. That should absolutely work. Why did that not work? Oh, because it's like that. There. Because we have to calculate the gradients that will then get stepped in the optimizer. Okay. Oh, we did it, you guys. All right, we did it. We got it working again. Although there is oh, no, we actually did it. We actually got it working again. We got it working. We did it, you guys. All right, we did it. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, perfect. All right, get out of there. All right, looking good. We did it, you guys. We did it. All right, we need a GitHub repository for this now. Yeah, we did it, you guys. Yeah, boy, we did it. Jonas, what would you recommend as the first coding language? Python. Or does it depend on what you want to make? Python is the best first language because it is a language that you will be using going forward in most careers. You'll use it for data science. You use it for AI. You might use it for server-side programming. It's used for GPU. It's used for everything. So it's a really good foundation. Another one is JavaScript, which is Primogen's favorite first language that Primogen would say, hey, do JavaScript first. Although I think Python's a little simpler, a little cleaner, a little bit easier. Terms of service, privacy file, then go. IPO. All right. Rich, there you go. IPO, all of a sudden we're good to go. That's the way to do it. That's the way. I started with C and then jumped into Python. That's a good start. C is better than C++ because it's a lot simpler. We did it. We did nothing over here. John Wiku. Hey, we're all good to go. That's why it's interesting to want to know. Learn C++ isn't a great way to learn about memory and low-level coding. Yeah, C++ is a little too much abstraction, and common things that you'd need in order to learn those things would pretty much hold you back from actually learning. You'd want to focus on things like Python first, and then do C, and C, just regular C, not C++, regular C. You're welcome, Bill DWP. CUDA is written in C++. You're right, CUDA is in C++. We're also using Pytorch, which is libtorch, which is written in C++ as well. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new repository, a new project. CD for, mkdir project, and we're going to call this AI game. Let's call it AI game. Maybe AI game like this. Yeah, AI game. And with CP, wait, what did we call this? What file is this? This is called game.py. Okay. Game.py over to projects AI game. Excellent. CD, let's go over here. All right. And then git init, git add. Oh, sorry. Git add with a period at the end of it. Git status. Looking good. All right. There we go. Git commit -am. Refactored game. Wait, so this type is good. What type is good? Catch you next one. Do you have a schedule for streaming? Just during the weekday, usually during the weekday, between usually 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bro, I'm learning generative AI using TensorFlow. Hey, nice, Sohan. That's a great task. That sounds like an exciting project. I'm curious to see if future will produce some very AI specific languages. Oh, I think the future is going to be very magical. It is, Rich. You're right. If there's any time to choose to be alive as a human, right now is kind of interesting because we are about to give a creation to artificial general intelligence here in a few years. We'll see what it looks like, you guys. We'll see what. Love your energy. Do you think? Thank you, FBML. Appreciate it. Do you work with Python in your day job? I do. I work with a lot of Python, Rust, C, SQL, JavaScript. You name it. We work with a lot of languages. Refactored. Boom. All right. So now we need to make a new repository. Thank you for the subscription, Seth. Hey, Seth Thompson, welcome on in. All right, you joined at the right time because we're about to head out. We got to head out and we got to go take care of business. We have a few other things to take care of today. It's good to have you here. Time changed the dots to NPC. Ooh, non-player character. Joshua, we could. Time to change the dots. You got it. We got it. Okay, so AI game. I need to make a new repository. GitHub. Let me go over here. We're going to make a new repository. All right. Here you go. New repository. We're going to call it AI-game, generic AI game. There we go. And let me say the AI chases you. Run away, right? You got to run. All right. Let's see. So let's kind of bring this up here. All right. And then visibility is public. All right. Public. We did it. Here we go. And I'll put it on our Discord channel. You guys. All right. Let's do this. Push that, reload, game. Here it is. There it is. All right. I'll post this on our Discord server. I'll post it over here on Discord server. Thank you for joining, everyone. We're headed out now. We're done. We'll be back tomorrow with more game. We'll start making the game good. We'll start like adding features, adding sound effects. Hey, how's it going, Mortez? Hey, Mortez, good to see you. Man, I'm feeling unconfident because I don't have a GPU. You don't need a GPU for this. You do not need a GPU. You're good to go. This works on regular CPU. To learn Pytorch, any alternative you're good to go. Pytorch, Keras, TensorFlow, NumPy. Bro, your Discord link. All right, we'll post in the Discord link. I have a link for you. Where do we do that? How do we do that to you guys? All right, live streaming over here. Let me grab it. Let me grab that for you. Are you on the vertical? You are on the vertical. Okay. We've got multiple streams, you guys. We've got multiple streams. All right, I'll paste that. Here you go. Here you go. Copy. Use the copy button. Here. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. All right, there's the Discord link, you guys. There's the Discord link. I'll also post it over here. Discord link. Paste that in. Excellent. There you go, forever. TLW. Give you the first star on it. Hey, thank you. Yeah, do that. Put a star on it. Put a star on the repository. So here's the game. It's clean. It's simple. Well organized. All the state information is right here. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Good luck on that game. Thank you, Tozy. Thank you. We're headed out now, you guys. Thank you for joining. We'll be back tomorrow to make more of the game. We'll finish it out. So we've got a whole bunch of fun things. Also, feel free to put any pull requests in if you want. If you want to put any PRs in there, you guys, put any PRs. Thank you for joining, you guys. It was a lot of fun to have you here on the stream while we made a video game. Let's before we go, I want to play it one more time. I'll play it with a hard mode. We'll play it hard mode. We'll do a hard mode game level. We'll put the level up to really high. We'll put the level really high. Here we go. Level /level. We'll make level. Thank you for the subscription. Honest, thank you for your subscription. We'll do 100. It'll be really hard mode, you guys. All right, here we go. Python run game, hard mode. Here it is. All right, so here's the AI. It's going to chase me, and it will not relent because it's on very hard mode. It'll always catch you. We also need to make it a lot faster, and we need to add collision detection. We need to do a whole bunch of things. We got a whole bunch of things to do, you guys. A whole bunch of things. There we go. You can see the loss is very low because it's super smart. It's a super smart AI, you guys. It knows what it's doing. You have amazing energy. Thank you, Sohan. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys. We'll be back with more AI game. See ya. Thank you for your subscription, Tozy Edits. Thank you for your subscription. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll make the game, and we'll make it more fun. We'll add the game over screen. We'll add some sound effects. It'll be a lot of fun. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining the stream. We'll head it out. We're headed out. We're clicking the stop stream button. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, everyone.